Welcome to another video from Device Doctor. If you're using an Epson L3200 series printer like the L3210, L3250, L3256, L3258, or similar models, and you're facing the issue of one or more colors not printing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a professional and effective solution to fix this problem.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Before we dive into today's solution and tutorial, let's take a look at the reasons that may cause this issue. 1. Low quality ink. 2. Cold weather. 3. Completely empty ink tanks. 4. Not using the printer for an extended period of time. As you can see, after printing the test page, the yellow color is not visible. To fix this, the printer needs to be filtered. Dear friends, follow us step by step and don't skip any steps to ensure your operation is successful. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable from the printer. Then, gently lift the top cover of the printer as shown in the video instructions. Be careful when doing this to avoid breaking anything. It's a very simple process. Just take your time and do it carefully. Move the printer head to the center and open the top cover of the printer head. Remove the cartridges to start the cleaning process. As you can see, the cartridges have air in them. Use a large syringe, 40 or 50 cc, to filter the cartridges like we do, so that the cartridges and their tubes get filled with ink. Open the ink tank covers. Place the cartridges back into their slots and make sure each one is properly seated in its position. Now place the white cover back in its correct position. Now use the syringe to remove the air from the waste ink tank line, which directs the waste ink to the waste ink tank. The printer head should be placed back in its original position, which is above the waste ink system. Place the waste ink tank tube back in its position and make sure it is properly inserted. Now close the top cover of the printer properly. It's very simple. Just make sure the clip is securely connected as shown. Now, connect the power cable and turn on the printer. Once the printer is ready, send the printer to the cleaning mode 1 or 2 times so that the ink flows properly. Press and hold the cancel button for 5 seconds, and the printer will enter the cleaning mode. After the cleaning process is finished, turn off the printer. Then, press and hold both the cancel button and the power button for 10 seconds to print the printer's nozzle test. Now, compare your initial nozzle test with the latest one to check for improvements. As you can see in our test, the yellow color was completely missing before, but now it is clearly visible. While there are still some minor gaps, performing a few more cleaning cycles will fully restore the print quality. If this video helped you resolve your printer issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert solutions from Device Doctor.